Updating your credit card information on ChargePoint is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ChargePoint website or open the ChargePoint app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select credit card information. In the payment settings, find the option to manage your credit card information. Click on it to view your current card details. Step 4. Update your card details. Enter your new credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new credit card information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new payment method is active. By following these steps, you can easily update your credit card information on ChargePoint. Regularly checking and updating your payment details helps ensure a smooth charging experience.